The xBrat EMA Cloud is a very versatile and simple tool. Let's go through some use cases. In essence, it's a non-linear support and resistance zone. An EMA Cloud, and this is just one on a chart here. This is a day trading time frame, 10-minute on a forex pair. We can see the bottom left here. When we start to push up above the cloud, we can see this non-linear support hold on this grey cloud for the EMA all the way up, giving us confidence on these pullbacks not to get out too early on a trade until such time actually then we do close below the EMA cloud. And then when we say we're in a bias, bearish bias type move here, and we can see that every time we come back to test that EMA cloud, we are rejected until such time we close up above, and then we are back in a bullish type trading scenario. The next type, this is a swing trading or investing type time frame. This is Microsoft on the daily, buying the dips that hold in stock, so that hold. So I've got two EMA clouds on here. I've always used these. The 55 EMA is grey and the 89 EMA is the cyan color. This is back down to 2020. We can see once we get the bullish momentum here, we start to add or buy the dips as long as the price action holds the EMA clouds. And then we get the pullback, we start to move back up again, it pulls back down, support at the EMA cloud. And again, only using those rules where we hit those EMA clouds for support to buy the dips. Even if we're scalping, so this is gold futures scalping here, very, very simple strategy is once we start to close up above, we get a pivot above the EMA cloud, we can get a trade entry here. The trade exit is when we get a close below the cloud. Really great move, 3-minute time frame. Again, we try and venture up, we get some pivots up above here, but then when we move out of that cloud here, that is the trade entry, sorry. Then we get the exit when we get a close below the cloud. Don't panic on pullbacks. This is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, back down to 2023 when we got the right sort of move up above here. The grey was above the cyan. Even when we pulled back here during 2024, we can see there's a big weekly rejection into that EMA cloud, and it went again. And then recently now in 2025, we've pulled back, we've tested the cloud, non-linear support, and it's gone again. So again, don't panic on pullbacks. Very brief explanation of the xBrat EMA Cloud, a very versatile tool that the non-linear support and resistance zones, but also there to help when trade managing things like scalping and day trading as well.